Hello, everyone. Today I will show you the difference between Evernote and Notion for productivity. Both are popular tools, but knowing their strengths helps choose the right one for your workflow. First, Evernote. It's great for note-taking, organizing tasks, and storing files. Features like notebooks and stacks, tags, attachments, templates, and reminders make it easy to track information quickly. Notion, on the other hand, is more of a workspace and database tool. You can create pages, tables, Kanban boards, calendars, and wikis. It's flexible for project management and team collaboration. Step 1, usability. Evernote is simple and fast for notes. Notion requires setup and learning, but is more customizable. Step 2, organization. Evernote uses notebooks and tags. Notion uses pages, subpages, and databases for a structured workflow. Step 3, collaboration. Notion allows shared workspaces, comments, and team databases. Evernote Premium supports shared notebooks and notes, but is less flexible for large teams. Step 4, integrations. Evernote integrates with Slack, Google Drive, Outlook, and Zoom. Notion also integrates but excels in connecting multiple project tools and databases. Step 5, offline access. Evernote Premium allows offline notebooks. Notion also has offline support, but setup may be more complex. So yeah, for quick note-taking and document storage, Evernote is better. For project management, team workflows, and database tracking, Notion is stronger. Choose based on your workflow needs. Thanks for watching. Do like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below if you have any questions. See you in the next one. Hello, everyone.